Very good evening to all of you. Today, Koyickal Trust Service Division is hosting the financial seminar, international financial seminar. The industry expert is joining with us today, Mr. Suresh Kumar Verma. A warm welcome to Mr. Suresh Kumar Verma. Mr. Suresh Kumar Verma is an international financial expert and veteran in the banking and insurance industry with 20+ years experience, both in India and UAE. He is currently working as the Chief Insurance Manager at PNB MetLife and has a career spanning multiple banks in Dubai, including Standard Chartered Bank, Mashreq Bank, and other the financial institutions. He is also the part of service division of Koyickal Trust. I would like to invite Mr. Suresh Kumar Verma for doing this international seminar for Koyickal Trust Service Division. A warm welcome to Mr. Suresh Kumar Verma, please.
Thank you. Good evening, all. First of all, I am thanking Mr. Sajid Kumar PK, settler of Koyickal Trust, the trust which I am also a part of that trust, and giving me an opportunity to speak a few words regarding the insurance, particularly the insurance through investment through insurance, life insurance, etc., etc. Thank you, Mr. Sajid Kumar, once again for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of this trust. Thank you. I'm switching off my video because the internet facilities back at home is little poor. So I'm switching off this video, and my voice will be audible to you all. Thank you. Good evening. Good evening, all.
Very good evening.
Okay. Today evening, I'm planning to discuss with you all the importance of insurance, particularly life insurance, plus the investment in India through insurance with savings and protection. And finally, I will introduce one new product of our PNB MetLife, which is very excited and is a new product with a new fund also. So let us start. As Sajid Kumar പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ എൻ്റെ പേര് സുരേഷ് കുമാർ വർമ്മ. ഞാനിപ്പോൾ കറന്റ്ലി PNB MetLife ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ആലുവ ബ്രാഞ്ചിൽ ചീഫ് ഇൻഷുറൻസ് മാനേജറായിട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാണ്. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി എനിക്ക് ഈ ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി തന്ന കോയിക്കൽ ട്രസ്റ്റിനോട് എനിക്ക് നന്ദിയുണ്ട്. First of all, let us take a look at some facts in India currently. Only 3 out of 100 people in India have life insurance policy. That is a fact actually. In the world, around 30%, 30 to 40%, 30 to 40 people out of 100 is having a life insurance policy. But in India, only 3 out of 100 people in having life insurance policy. But Indian population has reached, you know, that 138 crore. So life insurance has now become one of the strategic pillars for overall financial well-being of the nation. So I'm just giving this comparison to understand the current situation. You know, as per the illustration, it is showing that 17 deaths in every hour due to road accident in India, and more than every year additional 6,000 passenger vehicles are introduced to India. So the life of a common man is more vulnerable now. You know, it's a fact that 21 lakh Indians lost their life due to heart attacks in 2021 itself, at all ages. So it is very difficult to ensure the next generation's future in this condition. And generally, in our cost of your child education, child graduate, it is increasing day by day, as the studies shows that it is inflating at the rate of 10% every year. So currently, around for engineering student yearly 9.7 lakh Indian rupees, but estimated cost at the end of 2030 is around 15.6 lakh. This is continuous for medical and management studies as well. So lastly, when the relaxation begin at the age of retirement, the people will be totally collapsing. So in the retirement life, so you can see from the illustration itself, a monthly expense of Indian rupees 1 lakh today is costing 6 crore at the age of 60 if a person's life expectancy is 85 years. And in the real estate and housing in India, you know, the current in 2015 in Pune, 60 lakhs we will get a good house, but in 2025 it will be double, means 1 crore 20 lakhs. In Kolkata, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, all the cities, it is same, because the money value is diminishing day by day. In Indian marriage, currently, approximate average Indian rupees 20 lakh will be spending today, but after 10 years, it will be Indian rupees 40 lakhs and on average. So we speak about things that are important, but no, it is not popular. So we can assume from this life insurance is a common sense. So now I will be telling about how to save money for getting this all done in near future by the youngsters and the people, those who are earning now, and get a peaceful retirement. You save money now, the money will save you. So by this introduction, I will go to the next part of my speech, that is, what is life insurance. See, life insurance, everybody knows that life insurance is a contract between the insurance policy holder and the insurance company. So whenever പഴയ കാലത്ത് നമുക്ക് അറിയാം, ലൈഫ് ഇൻഷുറൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളൊരു LIC-ലോ അതുപോലെ മറ്റുള്ള ഇൻഷുറൻസ് കമ്പനിയിലോ ചേരും. നമ്മളുടെ ഡെത്ത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു ക്രിട്ടിക്കൽ കണ്ടീഷൻ ഓഫ് ലൈഫ് വരുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ അടച്ച പൈസ അതിന്റെ ബോണസോട് കൂട്ടി നമുക്ക് തിരിച്ചു തരും. ഇതാണ് ഒരു ജനറൽ കൺസെപ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ലൈഫ് ഇൻഷുറൻസ് ഇൻ ഇന്ത്യ, ഇൻ കോമൺ മാൻ. പിന്നെ നമ്മളുടെ ലൗഡ് വൺസിന്റെ ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ സെക്യൂരിറ്റിക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ലൈഫ് ഇൻഷുറൻസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു ആളുകൾ. പിന്നെ ടു സപ്പോർട്ട് ദ സർക്കിൾ ഓഫ് ലൈഫ്. സർക്കിൾ ഓഫ് ലൈഫിനെ കുറിച്ച് പിന്നീട് ഞാൻ പറയാം, പിന്നെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. പിന്നെ എന്താ പറയുക, ദ റെസ്പോൺസിബിലിറ്റി ടുവേർഡ്സ് യുവർ ഫാമിലി ഫോർ അച്ചീവിങ് ദ ഗോൾസ് in the later stages in life. we need the savings and savings with insurance protection. Now we can go to the benefits of life insurance. എന്തൊക്കെ benefit ആണ് life insurance വഴി നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത്? The first and main is the risk coverage. Insurance provides risk coverage to the insured family when the more unforeseen happens in a man's life. Next is the insurance companies offer a different type of plan to more benefits come with the more premium. In a cover of health expenses, this is also one of the benefits of the insurance. Suppose a person who join an insurance and critically ill or hospitalization expenses and critical illness treatment will be covered by the insurance company. And the important thing is that it promotes the savings of a common man, and it helps a common man to create wealth and bring legacy to his ancestors. Insurance policies generally come with a saving plan. Then most of the insurance companies give a guaranteed income. When the premium policy terms finishes, the insurance company will give a guaranteed income with bonus. Will be crediting his account, his or her account. Then moreover, interestingly, the money which we are deposited in the insurance, we will be getting a loan facility, or we can borrow certain amount from that lump sum which is accumulated in our account. More interestingly, in India, all the peoples, we are paying tax. This insurance premium is tax deductible under section 80C, and the return of the insurance, because after some years we will be getting a huge money from the insurance company, that is also without tax. That is in section 1010D of the Income Tax Act 1961. So we'll be getting the tax benefits also. So these are the benefits and the advantages of taking an insurance in India currently. So now definitely I will be telling about my company. My company name is PNB MetLife. PNB MetLife, by the name itself, you can come to know that PNB is a India's #2 public sector bank, and MetLife, by the name itself, those who are from the overseas, NRIs and other peoples, and in India also, when the name insurance comes into your picture, MetLife is definitely it will be coming into your mind. So these are the two institutions is combined together and giving insurance service to the Indians. The company name is PNB MetLife. So generally, Punjab National Bank is one of the oldest and most trusted public sector bank, and second largest PSB in India with experience of 125 years in banking. It is together with MetLife, which is the world leader and world expertise of insurance and reinsurance in more than 150 years of experience. In India, MetLife is operating directly with the PNB. And this is the highlights of PNB MetLife. It is one of the top private life insurer company, and having a AUM of 34 lakhs, 378.90 crore, etc., etc. That you know. And Punjab National Bank is the second largest bank in the country, more than 18 crore customers, with 2 overseas banks in branches in Hong Kong and Dubai. In 2020, you might be knowing that the amalgamation of Punjab National Bank with the United Bank of India and Oriental Bank of Commerce has came, and this Punjab National Bank becomes stronger and stronger. It is having some 11,000 plus branches, 13,000 ATMs, etc., etc. So MetLife, you know that exemplary 152 years of service, and it is a global provider, leading global provider of life, accident, health, and retirement and saving products. And $58,870 crore worth of combined assets is globally. So this is as good as this is the fastest growing financial service company in India. And it is giving high dividend. In the last year, we are in the Century Plan, one of our the best plan. The dividend is giving by Punjab National Bank is 11.09%, and last year declared dividend is 594 crore. That is directly giving to the customers' accounts as cash bonus. So these are the key stakeholders of PNB MetLife, PNB, Jammu Kashmir Bank, M. Palonji Company Private Limited, and other investors. This all together, it is leading the PNB MetLife. So this is our brand ambassador, PV Sindhu, the two-time Olympic medalist and brand ambassador of MetLife India. And last year, PNB MetLife announces the highest ever rupees 594 crore bonus. So this is all about the company, and PV Sindhu is a PNB MetLife brand ambassador. And one of the major claim assure is the fulfilling the promise. Means approval of claim assure is within 3 hours, up to 50 lakhs we are giving. So these are all about the company. So I'm starting again. There's some common savings options in India that everybody knows that we are all saving in bank deposits, mutual funds, recurring deposits, and chit funds. These are the people are saving in this all methods. So as you know that industry expert is saying that bank rates are falling down. In 1985, we got in 14% FD rate. In 1995, it is reducing, and in 2022, now it is 5.25%. So this is a paper cutting. In all the PF interest is reduced. Loans set to get cheaper. RBI cuts key rate of 35 BPS, etc., etc. And falling interest rate hit pensioners. So pensioners, after their retiring, they are getting an income. That income they are depositing into bank accounts, and bank accounts FD rates are less. So that is really hit the pensioners. Then the world central bank interest rate in India. It is the maximum nowadays, and that is around 4%. China is behind. US is only 0.5%. UK also 0.5%. Japan, if you want to deposit any money in Japan banks, you have to pay fund to the bank for keeping your money in that bank. So these are all the world central bank interest rates. Falling rates definitely across the globe is a reality, but long-term guarantee is precious. So in this condition, I'm telling that this insurance plans are better. So this is the circle of life. A man, oru manishante ഒരു ജീവിതത്തിലെ അവന്റെ ആദ്യത്തെ ഇത് ലക്ഷ്യമാണ് ചൈൽഡ് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ. ചൈൽഡ് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ ഫാമിലി പ്രൊട്ടക്ഷൻ, പിന്നെ ലോങ് ടേം സേവിങ്സ്, ദെൻ റിട്ടയർമെന്റ്. ഈ ഒരു 4 ലൈഫ് സർക്കിളാണ് ഒരു മനുഷ്യന്റെ ജീവിതത്തിലുള്ളത് വിത്ത് അവർ കസ്റ്റമർ സെൻട്രിക് ബിസിനസ് ഫിലോസഫി. So generally for people those who are young and getting started, they are going to the if they are getting a job, they will be creating their wealth. Then after that they are marrying their family, they are building up their family, then retirement planning, then retirement. These are the financial life phases for everybody's life. So everybody needs protection, pension, savings, child future, and investment. These are the individual services providing by our bank, and the corporate services is employer-employee insurance, partnership insurance, scheme-man insurance, and business insurance. These all facilities are given by our institution. So we can conclude that the protection against 3 Ds of life, that is death, disease, and disability. This is all comes under family protection. The 3 Ds, we are protecting the 3 Ds of life. And you know that different type of insurance products generally in the world, that is term insurance and pure endowment, savings and protection plans. Then traditional products just like that, term insurance, endowment plan, whole life insurance, annuities. And you know, in the term insurance, only our life is covered, so people will be getting only death benefit. There is no return in the time of term insurance, but it is low cost and high cover. Normally people are taking against the loans and then endowment plan. This is the most famous plan currently in all the insurance companies. This is that money at survival, maturity benefit in case of death also we are getting, and money in case of emergency, surrender value, we can surrender, or loan facilities are there. These are the plan now all the insurance companies are doing. Then one is anticipated endowment plan. This is called as all the money back policies. So this plan people are taking for the marriage, education, because it comes under the stipulated period of time. Payouts happen at regular intervals, and survival also is remaining sum assured is payable along with the bonuses. So in case of any uncertainty, the full sum assured plus bonus also payable at the insured. And this is one of the best benefits in insurance. This is we are now the insurance concept is totally changed. Now the people are taking insurance policy for investment with protection. So the people are investing in unit linked insurance plans, that is ULIP, ULIP. So here multi-purpose plan for protection as well as accumulation needs. Premium is allocated to various equity, debt, and other balance funds after applying the mortality charges. In this, we are having high risk but high return with insurance coverage. So these are the product: family protection, wealth creation, child education, retirement plans. So we are catering all the tailor-made products for all these protections. So lastly, I'm introducing one of the latest product of Punjab National Bank, that is GEM. This is a unit product, unit linked product. This is GEM. This is goal ensuring multiplier. This is actually is a non-participating unit linked life insurance plan. Okay. So here in the screen, you can see that all the benefits of GEM. So you can choose from the best 5 plan options. We can choose the 13 fund options and low cost structure with return of charges. In this, because in every unit linked product, the insurer has to pay the mortality charges, fund value, fund switch charges, and fund handling charges, etc., etc. Here, you will be getting back all the charges which are taken by the insurance company at the 10th year. So if the policy term is 10 year, after 10 year, you will be getting all the charges taken by the insurance company. This is the first product in India that all the charges taken by the insurance company will be giving back to the customer. And as normally tax benefits are applicable, and in between novel features like unlimited top up. Suppose you are invested 1 lakh in a year, so in the second year you are getting more money. You can invest in that fund because the fund values are increasing, so you can have a top up also. And the best advantage is that there is an inbuilt waiver of premium. Suppose something goes wrong, some uncertainty happens to the insurer, then there is no need of paying the waiver of premium, and his beneficiary and his nominee will be getting all the benefits. So this is a nutshell. It is showing that everything fund boosters are available. Child solutions, a waiver of premium is the death of a proposer. So there is a 2 lives by paying 1 premium. If you're paying 1 premium, the insurer as well as the proposer, both lives are covered in this. Pardon? Hello? Okay, I'm continuing. So in this gem, we have PNB MetLife funds. It is ranked number 1 in the Morningstar. So we are in multiplier 3. Our funds names are multiplier 3, Virtue 2, mid cap, balanced opportunities, protector. So in the multiplier, we are investing in the large cap, means the large industries, multinational industries with Fortune 500 companies. So total funds are 102, and the Virtue means the multi-cap. Multi-cap means the medium and large companies. And these are the main funds in the PNB MetLife. So in this, we are introducing some exclusive new fund offers. That is one is India Opportunities Fund. It's the latest fund which is started in August 22. And Sustainable Equity Fund is also started recently, August and September. So these are the 2 funds which Punjab National Bank MetLife is giving nowadays. A new fund option. The NAV is 10 rupees. So in the India Opportunity Fund, everybody knows that it is the investing in companies that focus digitalization, and Atmanirbhar Bharat that everybody knows in India currently with the current Prime Minister's focus is Atmanirbhar India and the resurgence of manufacturing propelled Make in India activities, initiatives. So we are giving an opportunity to the investors and people to invest in this new fund that will help really in India's economic growth. And these are the equity oriented. These funds are equity oriented fund 100%, and it is focused in the Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India, economic reforms and Make in India program. These initiatives definitely to propel India's economic growth and position India as an economic superpower. So these are this is all about the investment objective of this India Opportunities Fund, and these are the other key themes of the fund: infrastructure build-up, decarbonization, curtailing imports, stepping up of exports, improving tax compliances, improving digitalization and financial conclusion, continuation of reforms and momentum. We are investing in all these etc. conditions. This is sector-wise sectorial advantages of India Opportunity Fund and supply chain diversification, government initiatives, etc., etc. So these are the places where this India Opportunities Funds are putting. So these are the wealth creation with GEM. So these are all the funds again protected to bond opportunities fund, liquid fund, balancer 2 and all. So I hope this small small discussion I'm concluding this. So I know that this is not sufficient for getting an insurance awareness to the people, those who are listening, but this is only a start phases. So you can ask some doubts, clarification that will encourage me to put more thinking and output. So I am always welcome all the people, those who are interested to have questions to my mail as well as my WhatsApp number. I'm based on India, Kerala. So you can just note down my number. You can call me or you can WhatsApp me. I will be available at 24/7 for any further inquiries. Thank you. So I hope this session will definitely have little output regarding the current situation. So I'm just concluding. Thank you very much once again, Mr. Sajid Kumar PK, for giving me an opportunity to tell something about my product. And all the best to the PK Koyickal Trust. Thank you.
Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, Mr. Suresh.
Yeah. Tell me, Mr. Sajid. Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much. It was really informative.
I'm not audible. I am not. Your voice is breaking, Mr. Sajid. Your voice is breaking.
I I have received a couple of questions as well through the chat.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, you can share.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Question: how to get the support from your side? So you have already shared your the contact details, but for NRIs especially, so the same number can be used for call as well as WhatsApp. So you have already shared that details that I have received one question. And second thing, so you had mentioned the high return and high protection. Can you please explain more on that? The especially what he was mentioning about the fixed deposit interest rate is coming down, and how they can able to get the high return by investing through the fund. You have mentioned 2 funds.
Yeah. Definitely, I will answer the first question, which you are answered, that I am in India currently, so I will be available in this both the numbers. You can if any NRIs are interested, they can contact me through WhatsApp or through mail. Then definitely I can get them, because nowadays everything is digitalization. So we can fix up a meeting through our Google Meet or Zoom or any other digital media, and no need to sign any paper, any application form. So only everything is digitally signed. So after putting all the details, the customer will get an OTP. Then the OTP is the consent from the insurance company for fulfilling the KYC requirement. And the second thing, that in the fixed deposits currently in India, it is reducing drastically, as the studies shown. But minimum in the insurance, particularly the unit linked products, we are giving around 11.2% at the end of after 5 years. Means if you are putting a customer, a person is putting money for regular premium for 5 years. So after 5 years, we are guaranteeing that 11.2% return in the unit linked products. That is definitely that better. That is depending upon the market conditions. But one of our product which is guaranteed in the insurance policy itself. So a person is joining in the insurance policy itself, we are writing the guaranteed amount. That is Punjab National Bank MGFP product. That suppose I say an example, if a person is investing 7,30,000 in a year for 7 years, 7,30,000 for 7 years. So if you are investing in that MGFP fund, guaranteed fund, then he will be getting 1 crore Indian rupees at the end of 15th year. Means 14th year completion, he will be getting 1 crore. And that 1 crore is writing in the insurance policy itself. That is one of the attractive product in Punjab National Bank, because after 15 years, whatever is happening in the market, the current rate of interest FD rate is 5.2. That is reducing. Definitely it will reduce. Just like financial expert like Sajid, you know better that Indian interest rate will definitely reduce after the end of 15 years. But current rate, we are giving 1 crore at the end of 15 years. This is only an example. The people, those who are not interested to invest 7,30,000, then they can go for 50 lakhs, or they can go for 75 lakhs, or they can go at least 25 lakhs. So it is multiplying at the end of 15 years. Okay. Sajid sir. Sajid, I think you are audible to me. Hello.
Planning to this your investment into this two PN the marriage plan and the retirement plan altogether. Hear me now. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Your voice is not that much clear to me.
Can you please check the chat? Chat, I'm typing.
Okay. I'm getting how it is beneficial as financial planning for child higher education, marriage, and retirement. See, this is a very wonderful question, and the insurance people like this question. Why? Because everybody is living in this um, for the betterment of their child education, their marriage, means the children marriage, and their retirement. So see, nowadays the people, those who are getting a job, is getting a very good income at the starting of their career itself, not at the before 15 years, 20 years, 30 years before. What we are getting, that was very minute income that will be not sufficient to cater our livelihoods and for the supporting of our family. But nowadays we are lucky that our children getting a good salary at the starting itself, and they don't have other burden also. So what I am advising to these youngsters, particularly those who are ages lesser than 40, they don't have that much financial liabilities. Suppose a child is born, we can start earning investment plus insurance at the time of 0 to 30 days. 0 to 30 days we can start investing, and we can invest up to 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years is the maximum. So we can put 15 years. Suppose I say 1 lakh every year, 1 lakh in the name of child, and the policy holder will be parents. So at the end of 15 year, we are stopping premium payment, but we are getting the benefit every year up to the age of 80 or 100. That is one of our good plan. Century plan. Century plan means a person is joining, he will be covered up to the age of 100 years. Century. Nobody in the insurance industry is giving this much facilities. But people will be definitely ask questions that what is the need of getting money at the age of 100? But before that, at the age of, because starting age of is 1 year. Say example 1 year, 1 lakh. So 10 year we are paying 1 lakh up to 10th year. So we are paying only 10 lakh to the insurance company, and you will be getting your child education starts at the age of 18 years or 19 years, 20 years. So in that time, this money will be accumulating, and you will be getting a very good amount at the time of 20 years, or the marriage time 25 years, or any other time 40 years, 45 years, 50 years. So you will be getting unexpected money from the insurance company. I think you are audible to me.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And the minimum amount.
Minimum amount, there is minimum amount is
the minimum amount?
Yeah, that is well. That is an question that how much you will be paying a minimum. Maximum there is no limit in the insurance industry, but minimum amount is 5,000 rupees in a month. That is 60,000 rupees in a year.
So one-time payment or monthly?
We can pay different options. Suppose if it's a lesser amount, like lesser than 5 lakhs and all, the people are paying a yearly payment, lump sum payment. And if it is more than 5 lakhs, so people are paying in half yearly. 10 lakh means 5 lakh, half yearly. Then they can pay in a monthly also. 1 lakh, 12 lakhs. If you are paying 12 lakhs in a year, 1 lakh every year, every month they can pay 1 lakh. But the problem is that if you are paying an annually, if you are paying, you will be benefited some amount compared to you are paying monthly. And one more interesting is that sorry.
Since it is investing into the units, the monthly payment is better, or what do you think? How we will get the more benefit? This is another question.
In the unit link products,
unit link plan, so it is investing to the stocks and shares.
In the unit
monthly, if they are investing, the market will be up and down. So that benefit will get it or not?
Yeah, in the stock, in the unit link product, particularly, it is reflecting in the market conditions. Suppose if you're paying monthly installments is always good, because in every month stock fluctuations are there. So the people are will not be loss. Suppose in 1 month the stock market is high, and the other month, so they are unable to take more units, more NAVs. But in other month the stock markets are down, so the people can, the insurance company can buy more in shares to that particular individual. So monthly installment is good. The systematic planning is fine, and the one time also it is very good for the taking the stock this unit link market products. Suppose if you say anybody is investing 25 lakhs lump sum in one particular because the stock markets are down, so he can invest 25 lakhs, 50 lakhs, like that people are investing in one time. That is definitely benefit for the individual customers.
So the major advantage for this product, the investors can invest and they will also get their protection.
Yeah, they will be protected. They will be protected.
Protection as well.
Yes. The thing is that suppose if anybody is having
yeah. So apart from that,
yeah, I'm not getting actually your voice is, I'm not getting the voice. So can you just type your question, then I can. This is actually an insurance. Okay. Yeah, that's a fine, because I was an NRI for the 15 years. So definitely we are getting a lot of benefits in India that we are not paying any tax. Last year only I paid my first income tax. So first of all, NRIs are not interested about the tax. But the thing is that the NRIs are joining in this insurance plus investment, and they are getting the output. It is covered under 1010D. So the NRIs can benefit this tax benefit. And the thing is that NRIs are paying their premium through their bank. Suppose in UAE, NRI is having account with Standard Chartered, Mashreq, Emirates, NBD. So if they are paying their premium through that bank, then they will not charge any GST here. So that is the advantage NRIs. That is a number one advantage of NRIs. Then the thing is that NRIs, the next in means in NRIs only we can benefit because they can invest in huge funds in this insurance industry. So they will be getting a good high return, and they will be getting a pension plan because majority of the NRIs doesn't have any pension. So they will be work up to 55 years or maximum 60 years in abroad, outside India. So once they are coming back to India, they don't have any job. So whatever they're invested, whatever their money in the bank, they are spending. But here we are having a good pension plan for the NRIs. So if you are paying 5 years, the rest 30 years, we are paying pension for them with protection. I hope you understand the advantage of NRIs.
Yes.
Yeah, for a resident investor, in the tax exemption, 80C we are covering up to 1,50,000, that everybody knows. 80D is generally for the health insurance, 80D, and G is also not related to insurance. So in the 80C only we are covering. Insurance is covering, life insurance is covering up to 1,50,000.
So it is very much clear, and all others they can send if any queries to Suresh's email or
Sure. Because the people. Really sorry that I'm not hearing anything from you. Okay, thanks, because I'm not getting your voice clearly. Thanks, that questions are over. If anybody still people are having queries or regarding the insurance products, so how to get the insurance products and everything, they can mail me or WhatsApp me, and definitely I will clarify their doubts. Thank you. We can wind up, sir. Thank you very much. Good night. Thank you very much once again, and good night.
Thank you, Mr. Suresh Kumar. It was really very high.
Okay.